We want to thank you for the efforts that you did in putting together keynote presentation. But in recognition for excellence in ship design, Gibbs and Cox. Thank you, Tom. So for innovation in aluminum shipbuilding, let me guess, also USA. For excellent in naval shipbuilding, Huntington Ingalls Shipbuilding. Cracking up. All right. For excellent in naval architecture, Robert Allen. For excellent in marine engineering, you know what he's writing about. Congratulations. For demonstrated excellence in shipbuilding, Fincantieri Marinette Marine Corps. For showcasing excellence in shipbuilding, Halter Marine, who also has been a long customer of ours. Excellent in research and development, Bolivar Shipbuilding. All right, thank you guys.